You can order the sway bar end links used in the video from CarParts.com through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and set the parking brake. Loosen the stud bolts on the front wheels. To be able to change the sway bar end links on your vehicle, you need to remove the wheels to gain complete access to the suspension system. Lift the front of your vehicle. Place the vehicle on the jack stands. We strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Toyota Camry safely before carrying out this step. Don't forget to put the wheels under the vehicle. You can now see your car's sway bar end link. The components to be removed are very often seized up, so don't hesitate to brush and to use penetrating oil to make removal easier. Using a ratchet and a 17mm socket, unscrew the nut on the upper ball joint. The sway bar end link connects the sway bar to the struts to keep the wheels firmly on the ground at all times. Repeat the operation on the lower ball joint using a 17mm wrench. You can now remove the link. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. You can order the sway bar end link used in the video from CarParts.com through the link in the description. Take the new link and unscrew the nuts supplied with it. Install it in the sway bar, then in the strut. Then screw the nuts back on, by hand to start with. Screw the nuts back on until they make contact using a ratchet and a 19mm socket. Use a 6mm Allen key to keep the ball joint from rotating. Tighten the nuts with a torque wrench. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put the car back on the ground and block the wheels properly. Operation complete.